Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to search multiple PDF at once using Adobe Acrobat Pro. So let's get started. First, open your Adobe and then go to the top left side of your screen and you will see the menu option. Click on this and then click on Search. Now you have to choose Advanced Search option. As you can see, a new window is open. Now choose all PDF documents in and then write your keyword here. For example, I'm writing samples. Then there are four options like whole words only, case sensitive, include bookmarks, and include comments. Now, once you're done with all of this, click on the search button and give permission, and you will see that Adobe will instantly scan every PDF in that folder you want keywords. That's it, no more opening files one by one. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.